Hey there, Dr. D from Step Change. I want to try the clear protein that I bought from Vitamin Shoppe before I went to Supply Side Connect. So this has 20 grams of whey protein in a beverage that appears to be something like a pop or soda. I'm from the Midwest, so we call it pop. So very interested to try this. It is prickly pear flavored, but I'm curious to see how it tastes, what the texture is like, how it feels in my mouth, and also see is it clear or not. So I've got a glass to pour it in, so we're going to crack it open. All right. So it doesn't appear to be heavily carbonated. Sometimes cans are just the better format. But let's look at this. It pours like water, and it's actually pretty clear. A little bit of foaming there, which sometimes proteins do that. But let's see how it drinks. It's actually really good. Yeah, it's almost like a sweet pickle or something. Wow. So 90 calories, all of which is pretty much coming from the protein, tiny bit of carbohydrates. Yeah, so if you're looking to get some extra protein in your diet, this is not a bad choice at all. Clear protein from Clean Simple Eats. Thanks for watching. Bye.